Oh, that's very interesting. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video we're going to test together a new primer by Essence. They recently came up with 3 new primers and we have the redness correcting, mattifying and glow boosting. All of them have a different type of clay and they are pore minimizing. For today's video I'm going to use the mattifying and I will also do a wear test so we can see if it will make my foundation long lasting. The price of it is €3.45 and we get 30 milliliters of product. Share this video with a friend that is looking for a new primer. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with the review. Let's see how this is applied on my skin. This contains black clay. Let's see how it looks. And it is gray. The consistency of it is like a mousse, very creamy. It feels like air. It is very light. It has a very light scent. It is like a soap. So I'm going to apply it only on half of my face first. And we will see if it makes any difference with my pores. And I apply it like a moisturizer. I don't do something specific. On this area, I will just try to push it a little bit. It is very easily absorbed. It doesn't feel very tacky. It feels like when you apply your moisturizer. This side of my face, it is definitely less shiny. I don't see a lot of difference with my pores, to be honest. I want to apply my foundation on top of it so I can see if it makes a difference. I'm going to apply some primer on the other side as well. I don't see the pore minimizing effect now. I'm going to apply also my foundation. And I will use the Infallible 24-Hour Matte by L'Oreal in the color Beige Rose. For concealer, I will use the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in the shade 10. I don't see any areas that my foundation was not very well blended into my skin. I don't have patches or it doesn't cling on dry areas. It made my pores a little bit less visible because it filled them in. My skin here looks a little bit blurred and softer than always. Pore minimizing check. Oh, that's very interesting. This foundation is always very sticky when I apply it on my skin. And with this primer, it's not sticky, guys. And you can see that my foundation is not as shiny as before. So it is just a little bit sticky on my forehead, but everywhere else it is not sticky. And also on this side here, it feels a little bit tight. I will not need a lot of powder and I will use the fixing powder by Deco Cosmetics. Hi guys, it's been almost 10 hours and let's see what happened with the primer. As we can see, I am a little bit shiny on this area here on my cheeks and also a little bit on my forehead. On my forehead, the foundation didn't crease. It creased just a little bit between my brows, but it's not very visible. You need to get into the mirror to see that. So the shine that I have is very minimal and it is very easy to touch up with just a tissue. It's not a lot. I kind of like that it's not completely matte and I have like a radiance. So that gives a little bit of health on my skin. My skin looks very smooth. It is not patchy. I don't have any flaky areas and my foundation looks very nice blended. I don't have any breakouts, so the primer didn't irritate my skin and that's very nice. I was a little bit worried after I applied my foundation on top of the primer because it was not sticky and I was like, oh my god, this is going to be a flaky mess. But it looks very nice. It lasted all day and I like that I didn't have to use a lot of powder to set the foundation because it was not very sticky. I will use it with more foundations because I want to see how it works with other products as well. But I like that I can use it with my favorite foundation that I use all the time and it is so affordable. Give this video a huge thumbs up and also let me know in the comments below if you like mattifying primers and which one is your favorite. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye!